Okay guys, so I installed the new spark plugs, new wires, no change. Engine still just kind of shakes when it's running. No code still. So next step is compression test. Let's see if one of these cylinders has a problem. Okay, so to do this test, first thing we need to do is pull the fuel pump fuse so that we're not cranking the engine with fuel coming through it out of that after we take the spark plug out. So that's number 23, which is this one right here. It's a 20 amp. Okay, that's out. Now we're going to take the spark plug out. And we're going to go ahead and, after the spark plug's out, insert the hose. This has a quick release gauge on it, so we're going to go ahead and put that hose in. Alright, so we put the key in the ignition. We should be seeing well over 100 psi on a good cylinder. And we're looking for the cylinder that would be unusually low. This is the cylinder I'm suspicious of. It's well over 120. Pretty consistent, definitely within normal ranges, so it's not a compression issue.